32 ounces Monterey Jack cheese, 32 ounces sharp cheddar, 8 ounces pepper jack. Perfect. 1 block Philadelphia cream cheese. I'm just gonna unwrap this, stick that right down in there. And I've got a second block that I'm putting on that side. Now I've got 2 cooked chorizo sausages, and I'm just gonna slide this right down in here, right into my holes, next to my cheese, on top of my cream cheese. This is gonna bring a delicious smoky flavor and spiciness. Now I've got 1 can of Rotel. Just put that in there just like that. And 1 can of green hot chilies. We're just gonna stick that in. Perfect. All right. Now this is really shaping up. Get these kind of down in. Perfect. All right, now I've just got some of my cotija cheese here, and I am just going to go ahead, and this is so fun to do, just crumble, crumble, crumble the cotija right down in here with our other cheeses, with our Rotel, with our hatch green chili, our chorizo sausage. Ooh, yes, we're just stuffing this baby. We are making a delicious fall favorite today. I think you guys are really, really going to love this, enjoy this. It's gonna be infused with fall flavors and of course some of our traditional Southwest and Mexican favorites. All right, I'm just gonna lift this baby up. I'm gonna come in here. I'm gonna just go ahead and I'm just gonna make a little nest with my foil, just encompassing the bottom, just like that. Now I'm just gonna lightly put my lid on top, and I'm gonna bring this right over to my smoker. We've got our smoker set to 350, and we're just gonna let everything in here melt, congeal, combine. It's gonna be on the smoker for about 45 minutes. All right, y'all, that is our flap steak here, and we are just gonna oil it up with some avocado oil, get her real moist and tender. I really like this kind of cut of steak. Sometimes Marty makes this with a delicious marinade, the flap steak. But today we're just putting it oiled up. We're gonna get her all seasoned into that oil. Oh, y'all, this is the Dano's Yum Primo. Yum Yum, get you some. And it's got all kinds of little bites, little textures to it. We got some sesame seeds, some sea salt, some garlic, some red pepper chili flakes. All right, I'm gonna do a little on the other side here. Ooh, y'all, this is so good. I'm such a texture girl. I like anything that just kind of cracks, pops, snap, crackles in my mouth. Oh, yes. All righty. Now we're just gonna take this on over to the smoker and throw her on as well. Y'all, this steak is not gonna take much time, so we're just gonna keep an eye on her. Alrighty, y'all, it's been about 45 minutes and our steak and queso are ready. Just gonna grab this right off here. Oh, look at that, that is beautiful. Let me set this here for just a second. I'm gonna put on my heat-proof gloves for safety. And I am just gonna go ahead and grab our pumpkin and we're gonna take this to enjoy. Alrighty, y'all, moment of truth here. Now I will clarify, I did not cook this steak for 45 minutes, but I did just throw it back onto the grill for just a moment there, the smoker, just to kind of get it a little bit warmed up. Now here is the main result. Look at this gorgeous queso dip. Oh my goodness. Isn't that beautiful? Oh. Oh my God, that is so good. Mmm. Little bit of sweetness with the pumpkin. Y'all, you have got to try this.